In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify TrustWallet account. When people say verify a TrustWallet account, they usually mean making sure your wallet is set up securely and correctly so only you can access it. TrustWallet is non-custodial, which means you're in full control, and that control begins with your recovery phrase. First, during setup, you'll be shown a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to your wallet. Write it down clearly on physical paper and store it in a safe place. Do not take a screenshot, do not save it in your notes app, email, or cloud storage, and never share it with anyone. If someone has these words, they can move your assets. Consider writing the words neatly in order with consistent spacing, and make a second paper copy to store in a separate secure location, like a safe or lockbox. Avoid laminating if heat could damage it, and keep it away from moisture and prying eyes. Next, the app will ask you to re-enter the 12 words in the exact order to confirm your backup. Take your time here. This is not a race. Double check spelling and order, since one word out of place will fail the confirmation. If you make a mistake, calmly restart the confirmation and refer only to your paper copy. Don't copy and paste from a clipboard or any digital file, because the goal is to ensure you have a proper offline backup. Once confirmed, keep that paper secure and resist the temptation to make any digital duplicates. Now add an extra layer of protection inside the app. Go to Settings, then Security, and enable a passcode. If your device supports it, turn on fingerprint or Face ID as well. Choose a passcode that isn't easily guessable and isn't the same as your phone's lock code. Set a short auto lock time so the app locks itself when idle. This protects you if someone briefly gets hold of your device, and it keeps casual snooping out of your wallet. Finally, make sure you're using the genuine TrustWallet app. Download only from the official website, the Apple App Store, or the Google Play Store. Check the developer name, reviews, and download count, and avoid lookalike apps or links from social media or messages. Keeping the app updated from these official sources ensures you have the latest security fixes. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have effectively verified your Trust Wallet by backing it up properly, confirming the recovery phrase, locking down access, and ensuring you're on the authentic app. Stay safe and keep your recovery phrase offline and private.